Here's how you can see all the albums all the time, every time you go into your Samsung Gallery app. So for your Samsung A16, you'll probably notice every time you go into the Gallery app, this is what it shows, and you have to go to view all in order to see all the albums. So there's a setting that lets you see all the time, and let's do it. So let's just say you go into your gallery app like this here. And whether you're under the pictures here or the album section here, once you're in this area where you can see the menu option to the bottom right, go ahead and tap on that one time. This is going to show up for you, and you want to go to where it says settings right here. Within the settings area here, just go down and you'll notice where it says albums, it's going to say select essential albums. And once you turn this off, what this does is it lets you see all the albums all the time. So once you go into your gallery app for Samsung, you will see all the albums instead of having to select essential albums or view all, like and sub.